Derrick stopped mid-laugh, eyes locked to the screen like he saw a ghost.
Look here. You talk about the person name now. Me not gonna answer no question about the person. Me not gonna answer the question because me not come here to answer them question there. So pass that, please. Me I beg you, pass that right now. I'm not gonna answer the question. I'm telling you though.
Hey, you like the video? You subscribe?
The chat blew up, but the fear in Derrick's voice wasn't acting. Andrew wasn't just an ex, he was dangerous. Derrick had stayed quiet for years, never reported anything, never calling names, just blocking and pretending. But TikTok never forgets. Derrick found comfort in doing his live until he met one of his destiny helper, Nicki Minaj, or as he renamed her, Nicki Simaj. Whenever he was broke or feeling down, he would go online, face sad, saying,
Again, Miss Nicki Simaj, and I want you urgent if you can give me a assistant help now, because there's a girl on TikTok with name Rosalie. If I go around and I set up my life with bad people.